Edges are very significant wherever they prove to be, especially when it comes to landscaping. The edges of your lawn, garden, walkways and driveway helps define its boundaries and helps it stand out. There are many products available to choose landscape edgers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best landscape edgers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Worx 7.5-inch Electric Landscape Edger and Trencher. When you get this Worx WG896 Electric Landscape Edger and Trencher, you get a powerful motorized lawn edger equipped with a 12-amp motor, spinning a sharp 7.5-inch blade at a max speed of 4,700 RPM. At that speed you can cut through and shape the turf surrounding your walkways, driveways, mailboxes and your flowerbs with ease. There are 3 depth adjustments of 1 inch, 1/4 inch and 1/2 inches, allowing it to be used not only as an edger, but also for trenching wires and cables to a shutter garage. This Worx WG896 is designed so anyone can use it easily. It comes equipped with an adjustable shaft connecting the handle with the trimmer. Know the height of the user. The length of the shaft can be adjusted accordingly for comfortable use. Apart from the adjustable shaft, the handle also pivots freely and easily, affording the user maximum control during use. All in all, this Worx WG896 is definitely one tool you can absolutely rely on, especially as a homeowner who needs it to keep the lawn edge neat and well kept. It's well balanced. Number 2. EcoPower 8-inch Landscape Edger Attachment. The EcoPower head system is one landscaping equipment every homeowner can benefit from, provided you have all the attachment that really makes it work. The Power head system powers different tool attachment, which include a pole saw, a string trimmer, a pole extension attachment, and a landscape edger. With the edger attachment, you can use the EcoPower head system to create that straight line you need between your lawn and your pavement. The edger attachment consists of a solid 8-inch blade you can attach to the power head system. Once attached, you can use it to cut clean, crisp and precise edges around your driveways, patios and sidewalks. It features a guide wheel and a depth adjustment knob you can use to customize and shape every edge to your taste. When you get the EcoPower head system and the edger attachment, you're assured of a long tool run time, because it comes equipped with a powerful 56V lithium-ion battery, sold separately, which does not only delivers the power, but the performance you need to tackle the most demanding edging jobs. Number 3. Blackdecker LE750 Landscape Edger and Trencher. If you still aren't impressed by any of the landscape edgers listed above, then you should check out this one by Black Plus Decker. It's the landscape edger and trencher in one tool. You can swap between both tools by simply pulling the edge guide up or down. Assembling it together is tool-free. You don't need any tools. You can use it to edge your lawn, walkway and driveway, sidewalks and patios. Edge around flowerbs and mailboxes with ease. With its 3-position blade depth adjustment, controlling and maneuvering it is very easy. Number 4. Sawtooth Border Edger. If you have a very small lawn and you think an electric or gas-powered edger might just be too much for it, then a hand-powered one like this Ames 2,917,200 Sawtooth Edger might just be what you need. Whether you want to cut straight lines or curves around your lawn, walkways or driveway, or even cut trenches to embed cables to your shutter garage, this Ames 2,917,200 will work just fine. Sure, it will require some elbow grease and manual work on your part, but the Ames 2,917,200 surely gets the job done. It features a long durable steel handle with a steel T-grip, an arched sawtooth blade with a strong footplate, on which the user can step on for easy penetration into the soil. The steel handle is a plus, because you can really apply some leverage on it, and it still will be less likely to break compared with a wooden handle. Number 5. Earthquake Walk-Behind Landscape Edger. Whether you're a simple homeowner or a professional landscaper looking for a good edger to give your lawn that world-class finer touch, this walk-behind model by Earthquake is really one you can rely on to get the job done. The Earthquake 23275 comes equipped with a powerful 79cc Viper engine that spins a 9-inch spring steel blade up to a max speed of 3,400 RPM, allowing you to cut cleanly and precise straight lines through even the toughest of turfs and grasses. With it, you can create beautiful and clean-looking borders and edges around your property, lawn, walkways, driveways and around flower beds. The cutting head can be adjusted into different angles from 70 to 110 degrees, allowing the user to cut and edge the grass effectively at a position he or she's most comfortable with. Controlling depth of cut into the turf is very easy. The Earthquake 23275 Lawn Edger comes with a simple depth control lever which you can engage from the operation handle with one hand, allowing you to set the depth from 0.5 inches to 3.5 inches, depending on how deep you want it to be. It's well balanced, as it comes equipped with 4 wheels, ensuring maximum stability. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier.